Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on your Android device. Please note that the settings may look a little different depending on your phone brand or Android version, but the steps I am about to show you will help you find the right option. On my device, I start by going to the home screen. Tap and hold on an empty space. After a second, a menu appears with different options. From these options, choose Desktop Settings. Inside Desktop Settings, scroll down until you find an option called Hide Apps. When you tap on Hide Apps, it may ask you to enter your phone, password, or use your fingerprint to continue. Once it is unlocked, you'll see an option to add apps. Tap on that. After that, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Simply select the apps you want to hide. After selecting them, confirm, and those apps instantly disappear from my home screen and app drawer. They are still on your phone, but now they are hidden and protected. If you do not see this option when you tap and hold on the home screen, there is another way. Just open your phone settings and use the search bar at the top. Type Hide Apps or Hidden Apps. If your phone supports this feature, it will show up in the list. Tap on that result, and you will be taken to a similar screen where you can hide apps by selecting them from the list. The steps are usually similar across most Android devices. Thanks for watching.